Pa-pa-da.
If you heard the word force,
What is the first thing?
It comes to your mind.
Or as reinforced with device energy that is being sent by a person moving or trying to transfer an object. That's right.
A force can be defined as a push or a pull which acts upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. When one object exerts a force on another object, it always experiences an equal opposing force in return from the object it exerted the force on. Or in other words, when two objects interact, the forces they exert on one another are equal and opposite. These forces are referred to as the action and reaction forces. Frictional forces are the forces that oppose or prevent motion. These forces are a result of the interaction between the surfaces of two objects, more precisely due to the interactions between the molecules of the surface in contact. Tension. The force exerted by an object being pulled upon from opposite ends like a string, rope, cable, chain, etc. Tension is directed along the axis of the object.
Elasticity, the force exerted by an object under deformation that will return to its original shape when released like a spring or rubber band. Elasticity, like tension, is directed along an axis